Coup. Sudden change of power. The army carried out a coup. The coup changed the government. Inchoate crime. A crime that has just started but is not finished. The plan was stopped as an inchoate crime. He was arrested for an inchoate crime. Despot. A ruler with complete power. The king ruled like a despot. People feared the despot. Diffident. Shy and lacking confidence. He felt diffident in the crowd. She spoke in a diffident voice. Invoke. To call for help or support. He invoked the law to protect his rights. She invoked help from her friends. Encroachment. Slowly taking over someone's space. The building caused encroachment on the land. They complained about encroachment. Confluence. A place where things come together. The rivers meet at a confluence. The event was a confluence of ideas. Congeal. To become thick or solid. The liquid began to congeal in the cold. The sauce will congeal if left out. Congregation. A group of people gathered together. The congregation listened carefully. A large congregation gathered. Ancestors. People from your family in the past. He respected his ancestors. Their ancestors lived in that village. Despondent. Very sad and without hope. He felt despondent after failing. She looked despondent and quiet. Deter. To stop someone from doing something. Rules help deter crime. The warning will deter him. Devious. Not honest, tricky. He used a devious plan. Her devious actions caused trouble. Dialect. A form of language used in a region. They speak a local dialect. His dialect is easy to understand. Diffuse. Spread over a wide area. Light diffused across the room. The smell diffused quickly. Congenial. Friendly and pleasant. He is a congenial person. The environment felt warm and congenial. Fatalities. Deaths caused by an accident or event. The accident caused several fatalities. There were no fatalities in the storm. Diverts. Changes direction or attention. The road diverts traffic from the city. He diverts his mind by watching movies. Confound. To confuse someone. The question confounded the students. His actions confounded everyone. Dirge. A sad song, often for death. They sang a dirge at the funeral. The music sounded like a slow dirge. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.